I have a nice problem which says a over b plus b over a equals to 2. What is the value of a minus b? So what do you think? How can we solve this? First of all, let me write it down. We have a over b plus b over a, which is equal to 2. So here I have the denominators a and b. So if I take out the least common multiple, let me multiply it with that, ab, and here as well AB, and here as well AB. So what happens when I do that? Here I have B and B which cancels out, so I have A square plus here I have A and A cancelled, B square is equal to 2AB. Let me bring it this side. So what do I have now? A square minus 2AB plus B square is equal to 0. And what's this? This is an identity which is a minus b the whole square is equal to 0. Now if I want to remove the square root, let me put the square. If I want to remove the square, I've just put the square root. Square root and square gets cancelled, so I'm left with a minus b is equal to 0, and that's my answer. That's it. That's what we had to find out.